New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Thunderstorms approaching the waters. At 3:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated southeastern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, south central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, western Monmouth County in central New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southeast Pennsylvania, south central Middlesex County, north central Burlington County, western Monmouth County, northwestern Ocean County, until 5 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Florence, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bordentown and Whitehorse around 4:10 p.m., Crosswicks around 4:15 p.m., Allentown and Windsor around 4:20 p.m., Blaisdell and Hightstown around 4:25 p.m., Roosevelt and Clarksburg around 4:30 p.m., Manalapan and Jackson's Mills around 4:35 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex and Monmouth. Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. At Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island